November 2nd, 9:26 a.m. Monday, the first of the month activities. Uh, First of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you how I trade or showing you how I trade and what helps me out and works for me. Here's my current watch list right here on my screen here: DBVT, ANPC, VHC, and FS. Oh no, we're not. ISIG. So far, I don't like any one of them how they moving. I do see this ISIG rebounding on the reversal. My lines I drew a few days ago. You see back here on the 26th of October, it was $1.74 to high, and it's been pulling back ever since. Now you should know by now stocks move in waves, so because of that, it may rebound. It popped up this morning and pulled back. I don't see any news on it, so I don't trust it yet. ANPC, it's a Chinese stock. Be careful. You know how those work. And there's the news right there. Current leading gapper today. DBVT, not much going on over here either. You look this morning, you see some news around. It popped up from Friday at $1.49, $2.97, and been moving the whole rest of the day. Now, PSHG is a reverse split. It's also in the group 10-to-1 reverse split. So usually, when a stock do reverse splits, it runs up and market opens. People realize they got some money or don't. It pulls back for about an hour or two, then pops up, and it's like that the rest of the day. Usually, that's what reverse split stock does on the very first day of the reverse. So I'm going over here to my trade icon. I'm keep an eye on this ANPC. And we're going to watch it for a minute. The 5-minute chart showing the pullback. If you look back here at the RSI, you see it's leveling. It's coming down, leveling out. It's about to curve up, hopefully. You look down here at the MACD, you also see the pullback. You look over here, level 2. We got buyers coming in. Perfect. And again, news is right there. I'm going to check my icon. I'm going to probably buy 100 shares. This is my small account, so I don't buy usually more than 200 shares in my small account. As I trade my large account elsewhere, my cell phone, or even in different computer. I see JNCE just popped up 25% as well. Keep an eye on that and put that in the group. We got 58 seconds left before the bell starts. I'm getting ready on my cell phone. So JNCE is in there before market opens, so it gives you a few seconds, like 30 seconds or so, to look at it. Which by this point, we should all be doing that stuff in a matter of 5 or 10 seconds. We should already know what we're going to do. ANPC on my cell phone, watching for a good buy-in point. Here come the reversal, ANPC. We're going to watch it for a minute. Right at market opening. Let's see what happens. If blow past this 423 mark, that'd be a nice little buy-in point. Here come the curve. Here we come. See the buyers coming in? Watch this. The buyer's going to take over right here. I see it. Watch this curve up. Oh, you faked me out again. We good, though. Watch this. It's profit taking. It curved up and it pulled back on me. DBVT on my cell phone. Let's look at DBVT. DBVT. I didn't find support. I needed to make one full candle before it popped the high. I bought in way too early. Been doing that a lot lately. And it's been costing me. I probably could have bought a better price. Let's watch this DBVT on my cell. It's been pulling back for quite a while, so we good. It's about to reverse. ANPC. Here we go. I'm in on my cell phone ANPC at $4. And my first go on my cell phone is 440. We're gonna watch and see what happens though. Where we at? 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 Let's see. We need a quick couple of buyers to come in right quick and move this Chinese stock. Now you should know by now I hate trading Chinese stocks because they're heavily manipulated. And I know this, so I don't trade them that much. All right, let's see what we get going on here. All right, get out my cell phone, hop over here, and get ready to get out the stock for a quick move. It's way oversold. We're getting down to the average level as it was on Friday back here. You'll see, well oversold. Here we go. Here come some buyers. They're indecisive right now. We pop this 440 mark. We got room to run. All right, I put in the group this 440 mark resistance point. Oh, ANPC. We're gonna watch for this this move. For last week or so, the leading gapper of the day, or one leading gappers on the day, as the market opens, it's been failing. And once it fails, it takes about an hour or two to recover. That's what I noticed for the last week or two, which is not normal. Usually, out the gate, if that first candle makes that move, it's gone. I'm on my cell phone trying to find a. I might take profits on my cell phone at 425 on this ANPC on my cell. I'm watching for this 440 wall that keep popping up. ISIG making a move too right now. There we go. We need green. It is candles become green. We good. Come on now. Cell phone. ISIG. Looking for this ISIG on my cell phone. A target buy-in is 103 on ISIG. Look at that sale right there. ISIG. It's getting a little difficult trading on my cell phone as well as this computer screen. I might gotta reconsider this. 20,000. ISIG for 125. I'm looking for 125 on ISIG. That's in the group. Let me get out of this chart and go over here. I can see it from right here. ISIG. See that movement? We need a 130 mark. Let me put AMPC right there. I like to have my screen on the left when I'm trading at the moment, so I can see what's going on perfectly. I ain't got to search for it. Sometimes I allow 5 minutes for the market to settle right at opening before I buy anything. And for the last week or so, I haven't did that, which has been costing me. I put 130 wall in the group on ISIG. See that run up to 121? That 130 wall is right there. All right, where we at? DBVT for reversal. All right, so I put in the group DBVT wants to reverse. Look to the top right over here. You'll see it keep failing, right? It was a heavy sell volume, first 5-minute candle. Then it's light selling. The next should be lower, or it should turn to a green buy candle. Because it looks like the sellers are all taking a profit from that reverse split. Rephrase that ain't reverse split. Meanwhile, as I called earlier, PSHG, which is reverse split, it's not doing anything. They go 125 on the ISIG, bottom right. My line is already drawn at 130. Did you see it? The next point. How long are we in this video? About 15 minutes. Meanwhile, AMPC is doing nothing. However, it has 11 million share float and it's trading 10 million shares. So, other than ISIG, the second smallest float on my watch list. But ISIG is up 20%. Wait, 46%. So the stock was only like 80 cents on Friday. Look back here, it's actually 82 cents on Friday. So. Alright, where we at over here? On AMPC, the VWAP is currently sitting at 419, and it's below it. As you know by now, a stock will often be oversold, but it must come back and touch that VWAP. I'm out of ISIG at 135. So in my log account, I want to put that in the group right quick. Rephrase that, 125. My DBVT, is that out yet? Let me see. DBVT. What am I in at? DBVT. 246. I'm losing 4 cents right now in DBVT. And my sell point is it's pretty close. We're good. All right, we don't have much going on. I'm still watching. I'm in a couple of trades on my cell phone. I still in DBVT at 246. Sorry, 245. So I just broke even. I'm at 250. Top right, 252. Looking for a 270 sell point on DBVT. It blow past this 270. We gone. I'm gonna put in the group as well. DBVT got 270 wall. All right. 256, 256, 257. Top right. It should be the moving candle right here. It's the bullish candle we're looking for. But it keep failing at 255, 256 mark. It blow through that 270, we gone. Near past the high today. Meanwhile, AMPC doing nothing. See why I hate buying Chinese stocks? I knew better and I still bought it. Heavily manipulated. Meanwhile, DBVT keep failing over there. Let me get rid of this HST over here. Let me put some more watches. BLRX, not much. It's only up freaking 6%. HLXX, OPTT, a previous runner. Mankind, always runs. KXIN, always run. Mark, always run. FMMA, Fannie Mae, always runs. VIGI right there. FSR, AMPC, SUP, FSR, IBN, PRI, CVA, NLSN, GNUS, always runs. We at Solo, always runs. OIIM, always runs. ORBC, always run. EVGN, always run. Tilray, always run. See, the same thing over and over again. You look, the same stocks run over and over and over, which is why I just add them over here to my watch list and just watch them run day after day after day. You're going to have one or two previous runners going to pop up the next day. This is the way it is. See this PSAG, right? Pull back, right? And it's slight movements. That's all it does all day. It happens almost all the time. You'll see a reverse split do the same thing. Come out the gate, it move a little bit, and it just tug along, then it pulls back, then it just tug along. Happens all the time. Almost all the time. AMPC wants to rebound. Wants to rebound. See this right here? This VWAP. It's consolidating straight across. Once it make that curve up, you'll see the buyers come in and gonna pull it up. I'm gonna walk off for a minute.
market is still worried about.
All right, I'm back for a minute. I had to do some things. Bottom right, you'll see ISIG still want to pop this 130. This PSHD, HG, sorry, still here. We'll open that pretty much. AMPC, look like you want to have a buy candle. This candle here is coming now. If it's green, that's reverse. If the candle here becomes green and passes previous candle, becomes a buy candle. Right now it is indecisive. You see here, one buy candle, then it starts selling off. Over here, buyers coming in on the DBVT. Still got a 270 wall, but first resistance point now is 255, 256. It blow through that. We got room to go to 270. It pops that. We going to high today. He got 120. He got 130 on ISIG. Watch it come. Where we at? Video is now a little over 22 minutes. So you know by now, I only make about 30-minute long videos. So I'm gonna end this video at 10ish. All right, what's on the scanner over here? What popped up? Nope, nothing good still. We still got this DBVT, EIGI is making some moves. Let me look at EIGI. Let me put it right here. I keep watching it, but not trading it. Let me look at it. Oh, it's terrible. Reverse split look like. Let me see. That's news. News popped it up. Acquirement. Oh, it was acquired at 950 target price, which we moved up to 950. Yeah. So they acquired. It's a buyout. Okay. What is SUP doing? SUP. Look over here. Make it bigger. Watch this 130 mark. SUP popped up on news probably. Yep. Here we are, right here. Superior third quarter sales popped up. Yep. Then it pulled back. What time was this? 7:25 this morning. 7:13, 7. Okay, all right. I see what happened there. Yep. Don't like it though. So I'm gonna watch it, but it looks terrible. First buy-in point I would find would be this 157 mark. I'm gonna put it in the group as well. See what happens. Now, if you look up top here on my AMPC trade, if you notice for the last hour, it's been basically declining, right? The whole morning, right? Since 7:30 this morning, it is basically consolidated. Then it pulled back in the market opening. So, as my fax machine rings. So, it consolidates for a little while, then it pulls up. Look at any stock from last week, done the same thing pretty much. Market open, it dumped down, consolidate for like an hour or two, then it takes off. It happened for last week with dang near any stocks. But we know by now, these daggone Chinese stocks always do this crap. Be careful. Meanwhile, ISIG over here wants to reverse again, but it won't pop this 130 mark. If blasts 130 mark, it's running to 150. I'm already out of it already in my long-term account, my big account rather, and it's already in the group. I'm not gonna trade it again. I got some holds I bought on Friday that I'm up pretty well in. Large cap stocks, not in the group. So I'll tell you what I bought on Friday. Friday I bought some more AMD. I bought some more Amazon. I bought some more Apple. I bought some more ARKW. I bought some more. I ain't buy four. I bought some more FB, Facebook. I bought some Goose. I bought some more J&J. I bought some more O Realty. I bought some more pins, PINS. Actually, I bought all of them on Friday, pins. I've been had REGN. I bought more VGT. And I bought some more Wells Fargo. That's what I bought Friday. Added to my long-term accounts. Buy the dip, sell the rip, right? But these are long-term holds, so I just averaged down. That's all I did, pretty much. Oh, reason why I buy O Realty. Because they pay monthly dividends. That's why I buy O. So I have a lot of O. And Tesla, of course. Alright. Here comes the move we're looking for, hopefully. Right here on both ISIG as well as ANPC. It popped this point here. Let me draw this channel right here. Let me draw this channel. Here go the channel we're looking for. 507. Let's watch it. I'm going to end the video in 6 more minutes. And again, I'm currently in this ANPC on my small account, and I am currently down about 6%. But let me see if I'm doing my large account. Let me see. ANPC large account. I'm about someone's dip in my large account. ANPC 390 buy-in on my dip, so I can average down. There we go, 388, 387, and I'm in at average price 391. Perfect, 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 perfect. So let me get out of my ANPC. We're gonna say 415, my large account. That's the VWAP. Yeah. I'm gonna put in the group 414. VWAP on ANPC is 415. VWAP on AMPC. As that VWAP move, I'm gonna adjust my sell price, my small account. Currently, I have a sell price at 415, but I'll adjust it as a VWAP move. Let me see. DBVT, where we at on DBVT? I'm at the average down, yeah. I'm gonna average down a large account on DBVT as well. I like what it's doing over there. It's waiting to take off. So I'm going to average down over here. My average price in DBVT is now 238. Average down a little bit. What else we got going on? Let me see. Apple, Amazon, ARKW. See, Ford doing nothing today. FB doing pretty good today. Look at this daggone AMPC. Oh, Realty doing good today. Penn's doing good today. REGN doing good today. T-Mobile doing good today. Tesla doing well today. Tesla's rolling today. Now, I'm not in ISIG, so I'm about to show you guys what Tesla is doing. All right, let's see. No, I'm going to sub. I'm not in sub at all either. Look at Tesla today. It was 379 on Friday. The high right now it's been a day is 406, 407. So from Friday to now, that's almost a $30 jump per share. This morning it was up pretty good, popped to 4, pulled back, and here we are on the move again. DBVT, indecisive, AMPC, messing around. Here we go. Here got 130 ISIG. Bottom right. I drew that line way earlier today. Let's see what happens. Video ends in 2 minutes. Are you back? Overall, it's not really a good day trading day. It's not really doing leaps and bounds above anything else. It's just basically a normal day. Look at that ISIG bottom right. 129. I get 1 minute more in the video. 1 minute. All right. Here we are. All right, snipers. One trade away.